Do you want to edit your photos in new and creative ways? So let's go ahead and explore all of the endless possibilities with Photoleap. When choosing Edit Photo, here you can freely edit and add variety to your photos, using many adjustment tools, filters, and color settings to pick from. You can also remove backgrounds and objects from your photos using the Cutout tool. Next, you can experiment with Collage. It lets you bring several photos together into various unique collage formats. Now, inside the Motion tab, you can animate still images by adding movement and special effects into your image in seconds. Add moving skies, animate water flow, add 3D effects and dispersion effects, and much more. Use our text-to-image generator and turn words into art. All you need to do is enter any text you'd like and watch Photoleap turn your idea into an AI drawing instantly. If you are searching for quick results, try Pro Effects. One-tap effects to get awesome content in no time. Some of the options you can discover are dispersion effects, pop art timeline, and so much more. So, are you ready? There's no limits to what you can create with Photoleap.